Yo, what's up with y'all, man? Vivian T. What's up, bro?
Recording in progress.
Yo,
What's good with it?
y'all came on here just in time, boy. We got 55 seconds to the stock market bell ringing. But y'all already, hey, tell you see what's going on, huh, bro?
Yup,
Yeah,
yup.
man, that was a free bag right there. I ain't gonna lie, dog.
Nah, for real, that bitch been on course for the whole week.
For real, easy money, man.
Man, I'm in the UJ setup right now. I took a supply zone down to the hourly demand.
Ooh, ooh. Oh God, yeah, that's a good trade, bro. I see that. Let
Yup,
me get on the 30 though, cause we got some segments.
let's do it.
Oh, flying. But we gonna see though. It can be a fake out. But I was already anticipating some type of pushes up just because of the position and where the market's starting at for the day. You know what I'm saying? It's starting at a low. So anytime you see the market start at a low, you most likely they're gonna see some type of push up, or unless it's at a high and then it come back and just tank or do some type of quick movement to come back and retrace and go in the direction that it was already set to go. You know what I'm saying? So let's just like right here. This is an example right here. Right. So no, that ain't a good example. Okay, yeah, this is a good example right here. The market, when this was Friday, right? It started at a high, right? It started at a high at the beginning of the day, and what it did, it came back and it dropped to make structure for it to continue up, just for it to make this fake out play right here, and then it just dropped,
Uh-huh.
literally. So that's what I meant by market positioning. Just pay attention to where the market started, where the market is at around market opening. That'll even help you distinguish what direction it's gonna go into. You know what I'm saying? Like just like how we at a low right now. Okay, now we gonna anticipate some type of push up. It might be a short term push up. It might be a long term push up. You never know. But you always just gonna know what direction you're gonna go in just based off where the market position itself at around market open time. You know what I'm saying? So
Yup. And them two weeks before it, that's a well respected supply, not supply, support
it's a
zone
it,
right there.
yeah, it's an exhausting area, you know what I'm saying? Because if you look to the
Yeah.
left, what's happening in the same area right here, exhausting. And that's what it did,
Yup,
pushed up. It pushed all
yup.
the way up here in that same area. Let me see how many points there is. That's 300 points, bro. And US 30, it's gonna come back up here and retrace this. It's the same patterns, bro. Like all these
Yup.
engulfing counters, you always gonna see the market retrace them, dog. For real. And even with the structure that is how it's looking right now, if you just start flying up and it just leave this structure like how it is, looking like this right here, you're gonna see the market retrace that. Like it's just about knowing little stuff like that. Certain stuff like that will take you a long way, man. For real. Even this right here, this how I even caught this move, bro. You just knowing fake out candles and what a fake out candle look like, you will know
Mm-hmm.
what's gonna happen before it even happen. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at this, it's flying right now, dog. Market positioning.
One.
Exactly. Fake out candle right here. Boom. Let's break that down though, because I want y'all to really get that though. Like noticing a fake out counter, bro. It's good to just be on the charts and just staring at it and just analyzing and reading what happened when certain counters form. You know what I'm saying? That's how I even knew gold was gonna retrace, and that's how I even knew US 30 was gonna retrace just by knowing structure and candlestick patterns. Literally, that's it.
Yup. Gold played out nice.
Yeah. And look how long. Look at it, bro. Like market positioning. What we at during market open? We at a high. So we can possibly see some push down, or it can even continue up. But the possibilities of it pushing up and the possibilities of it pushing up are lower than pushing down, you know what I'm saying? Just because of what it started at. And it's
Yeah.
also momentum inside of it too. Right. So and look at where we at. We at a resistance coming up here. It's a lot of liquidity up here, you know what I'm saying? So Yeah, we might come back and see a lower high, or yeah, a higher low be created. You know what I'm saying? And or it might just keep going down. The possibility is endless, but it's a lot of momentum inside of this. This started pushing way last night too. That was gonna be a far entry. I'm telling you, this was 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock, bro. Structure form, boom. At the 23.6. Higher low, another higher low, 2 entries. Like, come on, bro.
Man, I was
2
saying that
entries.
shit, man, but I'm trying to be strict on myself to not trade outside the time zones I got set. But now I seen that shit, bro.
Yeah. You remember I was telling you like when it like last week, probably how gold be moving throughout, like what that session is. I guess that Tokyo session.
Tokyo.
Asian session, one of them. Yeah. So that what it be doing. It be moving around that time. So and that's literally what it did. It came back and created a structure and just continued up. So it's still a good time to be even looking at gold
Yeah.
around that time too. Gold not like a lot of currency and stuff. It'll
Currency.
move because it's traded in multiple countries. You know what I'm saying? So that was a great entry, I ain't gonna lie. Then just seeing how much volume was in this area based off this wick right here. Like,
Man, check 30 out.
all right. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. I was literally saying
Yeah.
that right before you got on the call. What was gonna happen, bro? Okay, like then if you just look at lower time frames, like you can see no structure, no type of what would you say? No type of supports was being broken over here. Yeah, it broke this right here, but it was just also showing you that it's exhausted as well.
Mm-hmm.
It couldn't even maintain it. It couldn't even maintain that volume, bro, that momentum. You could have even got in on this 5 minute counter right off the retest. As soon as 9:30 hit, you could have got in off the retest because it already broke out. It already said, okay, look, I'm trying to go up, but I need to come back first. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people would have probably hopped in at the top up here and been messed over. You know what I'm saying? So once they would have started seeing that pullback, they're like, dang, hold on, man, let me get out of there. Whole time he just coming back, bro. Yeah, okay. We really dialing down. We getting all the way down, bro. Like I'm telling you, bro, this is the year, bro. For real. Even with a counter like this, like if the counter even closed somewhat looking like how it's looking, bro, you gonna see US 30 come back and retrace that. It's not done, bro. It's just getting
But
loaded. That's it. It's getting loaded up, man. I want that swing position. I promise you. Let
hey,
me get a swing position here, bro.
speaking of fake out, you think that Kendall Nash just threw as a fake out?
Let's see. On which counter?
I'm
The
looking at it on the
hour, 4 hour?
5 minute.
Oh, the 5 minute.
Should have looked at the hour with the 5 minute.
Yeah, that was definitely because as you can see what it did, it went up there, but it didn't close above. You know what I'm saying? It showed that
Uh-huh.
it wasn't even strong enough to even keep maintaining it. You know what I'm saying?
It hit
Look at
them
this.
highs.
Yeah, it ain't strong enough to keep maintaining. Boom, right here, resistance, and look at all that momentum inside of it. Structure, lower high right here, lower high. Let's see where my mark at. I need to throw that on the side over here so I can make it easier. Favorite, boom, lower high, lower high. These the lower time frame now. I said lower high, lower low, lower high. That's all you need to know right here.
Yup.
Because your lower low not valid until you get a lower high. But and vice versa, you know what I'm saying? And that's literally what it just gave you. That's literally what it's giving you right now. And it's breaking lows on the 1 minute. If you want more detail, let go look. It's breaking lows on a 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
That just dang. I still got the marker over there. It's breaking lows on a 1 minute right here. Yeah, it gave you a high up here, but it's now invalid because guess what? It broke the low. So what we might see next is to come back and make another lower low a lower high and continue down on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
Because as you can see right now, it's pushing. It's pushing like it's definitely pushing right now. Just like with Nas right now, yeah, we got a lower low up here. I mean a lower high. But until we get a solid valid lower low, this still valid for uptrend. I'm gonna keep it a stack.
Yeah.
Until we get a solid break of this low or somewhere around here to confirm this lower high right here, it's still uptrend all day, dog. Because it's only valid until they make a lower low. It's not valid until it makes a lower low. And look at gold, you know what I'm saying? Market positioning, dog. Where are we doing market opening? All this volume inside of US 30 right now, bro. And we're gonna start milking Bitcoin too. I'm just telling you, I'm getting loaded on that. Bitcoin just made a high. It was a fake out though. This is another fake out count.
Yeah.
That's another fake out counter right here. You just need to be looking for counters that look like this, bro. Small wicks, you know what I'm saying, just come out of nowhere. And look what he retraced that counter plus 3-4 more. Fake out. Now would it be good if we still break these lows down here? Not off this counter, of course, but another counter right here to form and just give us a lower low. But we gonna even see this counter be retraced. I'm gonna keep it a stack. It ain't gonna happen right now unless he just pulled all the way back, you know what I'm saying? But we gonna see it eventually happen. Hey, I'm gonna have to get it. Don't worry about it. Look at Nas, bro. For real.
See, it'll always be on the low call.
Oh God.
Still my numbers.
Hell yeah.
We was already in a good downtrend, you feel me? Because we had a consistent lower